Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a division table. First, let's understand its structure. A division table helps you quickly find the answer to division problems. You'll learn to identify the dividend and divisor, then locate their intersection to find the quotient. This method simplifies understanding division facts and improves your mathematical fluency. It's a straightforward tool for mastering basic division operations. To find your answer, first locate the divisor, which is the number you are dividing by, either in the top row or the far left column. Next, search for the dividend, the number being divided, within the main body of the table. Once you've found the dividend, trace back to the top row or left column to discover the quotient. This systematic approach ensures you accurately identify the correct result every time. Let's try an example: 24 divided by 6. Find 6 in the top row, then go down to 24. Now, look left to find the answer, which is 4. Another example: 45 divided by 9. Locate 9 in the left column, then move right to 45. Look up to the top row, and you'll see 5. Practicing these steps makes division much easier. Here are some helpful tips for using division tables effectively. Always use a finger or a ruler to guide your eyes across the rows and columns. This prevents errors. Consistent practice, even for just 5 minutes daily, will significantly boost your speed and accuracy. Mastering division facts through this table builds a strong foundation for more complex mathematical concepts. Keep practicing, and you'll become a division expert.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.